Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove points in Google Forms. If you added points to a quiz in Google Forms and want to remove them, you can do so easily through the settings. And let's follow these few simple steps to do so. The first step is to open the quiz form. And to do that, just go to forms.google.com. By going to workspace.google.com/product/forms. Now before we do that, I have to create. Now make sure you log in using your Google account credentials. And once logged in, you'll be directed to your Google Forms dashboard. From here, I'm just gonna click on a blank form and create a new quiz. For example, I'm just gonna go to settings and I'm gonna click on make this a quiz. Next, you can see here, there's a lot of options, so I'm just gonna leave it at there. And you can create questions, you can choose options, etc. Now after I created this quiz right here, the second step is to access the quiz settings. And to do that, just click on settings. And under the quizzes section, make sure to make this quiz is turned on. As you can see, it's already turned on. Third step is to remove points from each question. And to do that, just click on a question that has point assigned in. Go back to this section. As you can see here, these are the options right here. Now here, click on the answer key option at the bottom and change the points value to 0. Or click remove points. Now as you can see, I gave it 0 points. The fourth step is to disable quiz mode. Now if you want to remove points entirely, go to settings, go back to the settings section and disable this option right here. And that's it. Removing points in Google Forms is simple by either setting each question's points to 0 or turning off quiz mode entirely. Now if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.